There's a lot of things we can see on the Bitcoin chart right now that I will go over within the video. I'm placing a lot of trades every single day. I'm a scalper. I do over 50 trades a day. And I'll show you what I can see for the day and for the immediate short term. But if you want to see that, all you got to do for to see the Bitcoin price prediction on the 28th of February 2022 is slap the like button or I'll slap you subscribe because I'm trying to hit 50k subscribers and I'm very close to really encourage me if you can hit the subscribe button. I'm sponsored by MX Exchange and I have my crypto signals group. I do daily trades and I'm showing you how I'm gonna grow a small account, a very accessible 500 bucks account. I'm already up 3x on it. Um, I will do a documented journey every single day, and I'll show you the Telegram chat with all the signals. If you want to see timestamps for all the trades, if you don't believe that the trades are real, you can find the link for that group in the description. It's discounted from 90 bucks a month, 99 bucks a month to 49 bucks a month, which I believe is very fair for 50 trades a day. No financial advice, just random dude on the internet. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about the Bitcoin price right now is definitely declining, and I can tell you right now, I've got a bunch of shorts. As you can see right here, I've got 7 shorts. Only one is green, obviously. I'm down a little bit on those, and the reason why I believe we are in the downtrend was very easy to see. Right, MACD is in the red on the 5-minute chart. We have negative money flow. VWAP is up, but it's ready to swing down right here, which is a bearish signal. We have some bullish divergence, but we're still hovering below the 200 EMA on the 30-minute chart. I don't know what the price will be when you're seeing the video. Hopefully, my team can get it out to you guys as fast as possible. We're definitely trending downwards. Ichimoku is signaling a downtrend. We have some bullish signals, but in general, we are in a downtrend. This is a short entry right here. As soon as MACD and stochastic show a sell, a lot of people will be entering a short, in my opinion. Something else that I want to point out and see, and that has a little bit of beacon of hope, is actually the RSI, uh, which suggested a buying opportunity right here after this downtrend was erased. We did have a pull up, and we are definitely trending upwards right now on the RSI. But as you can see here, a lot of dumps started with a trend like that, so you can't really rely on that too much. As you can see, we had some. Yeah, RSI's movement is not actually that bad. For example, right here, as soon as we started trending up, we had a small uptrend after the war started with the pump. So RSI is an indicator you can definitely check out to see some how momentum is going, but we are still in a downtrend, and that's not very good. On the 5-minute time frame, RSI is was trending up, but that's pretty much the end. And you can't really use this indicator very accurately um, on this time frame because, for example, you would have think we're trending upwards here, and a short will be good here. But then you can use better indicators to see that sooner. For example, stochastic plus MACD, 200 EMA, and a bunch of other indicators. So yeah, we're definitely got rejected from the 38k area, and I do believe we'll visit the lower 30s very soon. What I think will happen very soon is we're very likely to reject to 36, maybe even 34k within the next few days. Let's see how that plays out. Obviously, the events in the world are triggering the price movement of Bitcoin a lot, but the weird thing is, as soon as the war started, we pretty much had an uptick. The anticipation, buy the rumor, sell the news, anticipation for it on Wednesday. We had a big dump. We managed to short it all the way down. But then I really thought we were going to go down even more. But no, we had a huge pump. We caught some of this pump, not all of it, which was not enough because we were shorting a lot of here and getting stopped out. But this pump was very healthy for us, helped us a little bit. And yeah, we're definitely got rejected a few times. We printed, we had a test, another test, a failed test, and now we just dump below the 200 EMA, and we are waiting for the next move. As I said, I have 7 shorts right now. Some are going well. One is going well. Most of are going terribly, but All of them are very probable. I'm playing the probability. I've tested this strategy over 400 trades that I'm using on this $500 account. It's a profitable strategy. So let's see. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.